Nell'ultimo episodio. Ciao ragazzi, siamo da 3 giorni in Utah, stanno succedendo cose incredibili. Abbiamo fatto la spesa per 4 giorni.
It's too fast, guys.
Las Vegas, baby! Ci hanno cancellato la prenotazione. Dopo 13 ore di viaggio siamo arrivati. Siamo partiti da Kanab, una piccola cittadina al sud dello Utah con 5.000 abitanti, anche nota come la Little Hollywood.
It's a video you can screenshot it after.
There we go. Yeah. Hey, la strada che volevamo prendere era troppo fangosa, ci hanno dirottati da un'altra parte. Woo! Yeah! Oh, cosa! Sam, did you enjoy driving?
Yes, it was fun.
It was fun. What you do?
I drifted, I went fast, I scared Mary.
Mary, were you scared?
No, it's just not responsible.
I got it!
Ci abbiamo messo un paio d'ore per trovare la strada giusta, alla fine abbiamo preso il sentiero e siamo in viaggio. La strada è molto fangosa, quindi stiamo avendo un po' di difficoltà, però si tira avanti senza problemi. Stiamo seguendo adesso un sentiero di 9.7 miglia che corrisponde a circa 15 km e ci porta a Observation Point, che dovrebbe essere uno dei punti più panoramici del parco di Zion.
Andrea, look at my shoes.
Pausa pranzo.
We have some 2 pounds, 2 pounds of turkey.
Smoked turkey breast.
Smoked turkey breast. We got some nice bread. And we have some pine nut hummus.
There's no such thing as too much food.
So now the controller's on, the drone is on. Okay, ready? Hold on, it's having a problem. Alright, I'm gonna take off. Ready? Oh, here we are. I can see us.
You can see us?
We're these like little people down here. You see us?
Ah, yes.
Little
Where?
people.
We're at the bottom.
Where is it?
You'll see it in 1 second. It's coming right
Is
for
it
us.
that plane over there?
No.
Oh, it's there. Oh wow, hello!
You guys are really
All right.
blind. Bullshit.
Now check. Now catch it, bro. Catch it.
Catch it? Oh, Anna, it's you, Anna, it's you.
Anna, I go.
Are you seriously gonna catch it? Okay, be very careful.
It's like a huge bee.
Oh shit! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! All right, now turn it around. Turn it around. It'll turn off. Just like upside down. There you go.
Sfondo rosso. Wow. Wow. Ragazzi, ma dove siamo? 1, 2, 3.
The thing is, it's difficult to realize how big it is. It's like Hunger Games.
So fun.
You think I'll hit that other side of the mountain?
What's the range in this thing?
That's a good question. I think it's like a mile or two, but I'm getting pretty. Why does it look like I'm getting so close to the side of the mountain over there?
No, you look very far away still.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
I have to finish the recording.
Landing.
Oh fuck. Okay, hold on. I'm bringing it back. It's showing some sus shit.
Critically low
Okay.
battery.
Oh fuck. Wait, why is it going down? That's not good. It's actually fucking going down, guys. Okay, I'm landing at the bottom. Yeah, it's not gonna come up. It's not gonna come up. Oh, wrong way. Fuck!
Lost it.
I see it, but how do I land this shit? I just see rocks. Alright, where is it? I can't see it anymore.
It's in the street. It's good. Anna.
Wrong way.
No, you're coming.
No, go wrong way.
I can't. It's not moving. Why is it? It's not listening to me anymore. Oh. Fuck, Ross. Fuck. Alright, we're gonna have to hike a little bit to get this. Oh shit. Look at the camera, bro. It's like just jiggling. Just land, bro. Just fucking land. It's like.
Oh. I see. Okay, now it's good.
Where am I trying to land? The trail or what?
It's coming off.
There's no way it's gonna make it.
Where is it?
I'm gonna have to land it.
It's on the good, right? A bit right?
I can't. Oh, I see. Okay. What if someone runs it over? That's not good. Why is it going that way? Stop. Why is it moving? No, don't go towards the rock. Shit. It has a mind of its own. Just land.
Ci stavamo divertendo col drone, ma l'abbiamo perso. Ho iniziato a fare un suono strano e è volato via.
How do you feel?
Not good.
Good. What are we gonna do about it?
Find it?
Find it?
Although I don't know where it is. They keep saying it's next to stripes, but all I saw was rocks while I was flying.
Abbiamo un'idea di dove si trova. Vediamo se la nostra idea è giusta o sbagliata. Please sponsor me so we can buy a new drone for Sam. Yeah. Sam, can you please explain what happened from a pilot point of view?
Pretty much, I was flying it, and then I got too far, and the battery was low. And then the computer told me that you have 10 seconds to get back, or else I'm gonna just start going down, which is great. And yeah, it started going down. But usually when it says that, it like gives you, it says going home, but you could still direct it where to go, and you can keep it at least level, so it doesn't lower. But for some reason, it just decided to be, no, I'm just gonna start going down. I don't know what it is.
È andata in caduta libera per 1000 piedi. Ora non chiedetemi quanto è, però credo 400 metri più o meno. How far is the drone?
1 hour away.
We have 1 hour light, 1 hour driving.
Yep.
And then we're gonna find it in the dark. Bene ragazzi, dopo un'ora siamo arrivati al punto in cui crediamo sia caduto il drone, perché noi eravamo lì su, e questa è tipo la quarta strada vietata che prendiamo oggi per recuperare questo drone, però abbiamo la scusa, possiamo dire che è importante. Comunque trovare sempre il bene nel male. Se non avessimo perso il drone non avremmo mai fatto questa strada, ragazzi. È uno spettacolo, la strada più bella che abbia mai fatto in vita mia, davvero. La ricerca è iniziata, ci siamo splittati, però sinceramente mi distraggo troppo in mezzo a tutta questa bellezza.
So we didn't find it.
But
we, I don't know, but what?
I'll do a good pasta for you tonight.
Yes, but you'll get a good pasta going.
Un bel sugo di tonno per il nostro Sam.
I'll try to come back tomorrow morning, maybe, if possible. If not, I don't know. I'll try to figure out a way to get $100 out of each of these guys.
If my truck was working, I just need a new steering column.
Steering column or steering column?